Amazing development.
Yo, actually.
Manood kaya tayo ng... Manonood ako ba ng parent?
Uy.
Ano na nga yung bad parent, diba? Diba?
Summer business idea ba ang hanap mo na budget ng puhunan at kikita ka ng up to 2,000 per month?
Magandang umaga, hapon, gabi sa inyo mga square. Nagbabalik na naman tayo sa isang video na kung saan ay maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Bad Parenting. So sa inyong lahat ngayon ay subukan natin itong laruin kasi ito ay isang horror game na kung saan it's all about bad parenting nga, which is yung pinaka-title mismo itself. So without further ado, tignan ko na meron dito, let's see kung anong meron sa larong ito. Story mo na. So, mayroon bang mga iba-ibang story to? Mr. Redface. Okay. Hi! Son, Mom, you're home late again. Come on, I was busy with work. Pwede mo ba bigyan ng sympathy kahit konti? Pero, birthday ko kasi ngayon eh. Oh, of course. Alam ko naman yun. Then, nasan yung regalo ko? Aha. Narinig mo na ba si Mr. Redface? On the birthday of good children, Mr. Redface secretly leaves gifts while they are asleep. Eh talaga? Oo naman. If you want to get your gift, you have to go to bed right away. I'm going to bed right now, Mom. But what a way to castrate your freaking children, though. Nagtatay yan! Gulat naman ako sa'yo. You're fooling the kid again. Ilang beses mo kailangan umuwi ng late, ha? Nagtatrabaho ako, tsaka late na natapos yung shift ko. Inisip mo pa rin na bobo, ha? Puto ka! Ay, yo! Wagas ka makatingin, ha? Hey, little shit, get back to your room. Don't stand here eavesdropping on bonus conversations. Okay. So, ano nga gagawin ba? Ano na ako? Parang feeling ko mayayari na si nanay. Ito ba kwarto ko? Kwarto nila. Bakit separate sila ng bed? I think, ang dilim ng laro, Okay. Okay, now that is not good. Oh shit. Now that is not freaking great, dude. Hey, yo! Oh, ito yung Mr. Redface. Okay, I don't think that's a good sign. Now we're gonna open that. Ah, dang it. Ano to? Is that the gift from Mr. Redface? No way! Hey, yay! Hey, yo! Hi, I'm Ron. What? You can talk? Oo naman. Kasi created ako by magic. You even have the same name and appearance as me. Oo naman, my master made me just for you. But your neck seems to be a bit loose. It's okay, sometimes my master makes mistakes. It's just a small flaw compared to the other dolls. What's important is that from now on, I'll be your best friend. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Do you want to play something with me? I must have stored my toys in the closet. Can you get them for me? Okay, you're gonna die. God, it's still stuck. Can you try that again? I tried my best. I can open it. You want me to do something else? Tumako. Can you even eat? No, you'll be the one eating, but I'll be able to feel everything you eat. And that is not good. I must have linked all your senses and emotions to me, so I can easily understand you. Wow, that's amazing. No, that's weird. Dad, let's see kung ano makakain natin. You're reading this letter at 1 p.m., aren't you? Sleepyhead. I prepare your favorite dish in the fridge, so remember to heat it up before eating. Lately, I've noticed you've been getting lazy about eating. You know I don't have much time at home, so please learn to take care of yourself and stop making me worry. One more thing, don't forget to take your medicine after eating. Mom. Yeah, you're holding something else. Okay, lagay mo na dyan. Go, microwave! Yabe, ang liit natin, no? Parang maging ano, kasi tangkad lang ng, ng mismo ng pinaka-table. Is that your favorite dish? You want to see me perform some magic? Yes, please! Alright, I'll make this plate of food never run out. Every time you finish eating, the dish will be restored to its original state. Sige nga daw. Oh! Wow, that's amazing! Ano pwede mong gawin?
Nakakatakot yun.
Hey, yo! What
Eh,
happened? I don't know,
minsan
you guess.
nakita ko yan.
Oh, the bottle, the dad's gonna whip my
Yan
ass.
na. Tapos
Papi's still
dyan na
asleep.
yung part.
Your dad?
Nag-skip ako.
Sorry, my master
hanggang
has taken your dad away. What did you say? Ano?
Why?
Tinake ka... As I said, my master has taken your dad away. Why? Because your dad is a bad person. He often hits and yells at you. Parents like that are taken away by my master to protect children like you. But this is too much. My dad doesn't deserve that. He's a bad person. No, he's not. Please let my dad go, I'm begging you. Alright, but my master won't like this. It's quite a long way to... get there in time to save him. To save you, huh? Show me the way. The shortcut is through your closet. Through my closet, eh?
Kailangan mo makita ara.
Oh, nandiyan ka dito ka na kagad?
Aray. Huwag kayo maingay.
Hindi sa bango ng liquid, may anti-kulog sa power na. 750 lang.
You still can open it? That's disappointing. I guess we'll have to use your parents' closet then.
Gusto ko.
Okay.
Why?
There's nothing in here. Oh, right, I forgot. There are a few steps you need to take to activate this shortcut. Bring your dad's radio and place it in front of the closet.
Okay.
Radio.
Sa part 2 na lang ipagpatuloy. Bye-bye.